Greetings, Blender enthusiasts. Welcome to the world of 3D creation and design. If you've ever dreamed of designing your own modern house, then you're in for a treat. Today, we're diving into an exciting new course brought to you by Aldama Studio Incorporated. Creating a modern house in Blender. This course is a game changer for all aspiring architects and designers out there. With step-by-step guidance, you learn how to bring your architectural visions to life using Blender, the powerful open-source 3D modeling software. So, buckle up and get ready to unleash your creativity as we embark on this journey to transform your digital design skills. The course starts with the fundamentals of planning and blueprinting, guiding you through the intricacies of translating a vision into a tangible design. You will learn to establish key dimensions and create blueprints that serve as the foundation of your project. As you progress, you will master advanced modeling techniques, constructing walls, floors, windows, doors, and other essential architectural elements with precision and creativity. Interior design modules will empower you to curate spaces that resonate with comfort and style, focusing on furniture placement, lighting, and material selection. The art of texturing and material creation awaits to elevate your designs, adding layers of realism and depth that captivate the viewer. Furthermore, the course explores the impact of lighting and rendering, teaching you to manipulate these elements to produce stunning visual effects that bring your designs to life. Practical exercises and projects are interspersed throughout the course, ensuring that each new skill acquired is reinforced with hands-on application. By the end of this transformative experience, you will have gained a wealth of knowledge and the confidence and expertise to design and model your own modern houses in Blender, ready to leave a mark in the world of 3D architectural design. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing Blender tutorials. Don't forget to ring the bell to get notified about our latest uploads. Share your thoughts in the comments below and join us on the next adventure at Blender Point. Keep blending and see you in the next video.